Hi everyone. Today we're diving into TalentLMS, a powerful learning management system LMS that helps organizations create, deliver, and manage online training. If you're considering using this platform, stick around. I'll walk you through the key features, explore the pros and cons, and answer the big question, is it worth it? Let's get started. When you first log in, you're greeted by a clean and intuitive dashboard. From here, you can easily access courses, create and manage your training programs with ease, users, add and assign learners, group them, and monitor progress, reports, get detailed insights on course completion rates, test scores, and learner activity, branches, perfect for organizations that need to manage multiple departments or clients, gamification, add badges, points, and leaderboards to keep learners motivated. Creating a course is straightforward. You can add videos, presentations, documents, and quizzes. Use the drag and drop editor to structure lessons. Customize course settings to match your organization's branding. TalentLMS also supports SCORM, XAPI, and other standards, making it easy to import existing content. The reporting feature provides detailed performance data. You can track learner progress, identify areas that need improvement, and even export reports for further analysis. This is a big plus if you need to measure the effectiveness of your training programs. Pros: user-friendly interface, simple for both learners and admins. Flexible course creation, supports multimedia content and interactive quizzes. Customization, easily brand your portal and courses. Mobile accessibility, learners can access content on the go. Affordable pricing, especially great for small to mid-sized businesses. Cons: limited advanced features, not ideal for large-scale enterprise training. Basic automation, some automation options are limited compared to higher-end LMS platforms. Customer support, while generally good, some users report slower response times. So, is TalentLMS worth it? Absolutely. If you're looking for a cost-effective, user-friendly LMS with powerful features for small to medium-sized organizations. However, if you need more advanced functionality for a larger enterprise, you might need a more robust platform. That's a wrap on our TalentLMS review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. See you next time.